Hello everybody, this is part 3 of the requested form modeling demo. Okay, let's start. Let me unhide stuff. Let's delete this surface. We don't need it anymore. Let's just pick what we need. What I'm going to do is to turn on the control points and adjust this part until it matches the profile curve better. I need to select both sides because it's a symmetrical object. Okay, getting close to what we want. I'm going to remove the stuff that we don't need to just focus on building the rest. Okay, well, what we need to do is to create this side, which can be quite tricky. Okay, I reckon I should by right have already trim off this part and build this surface in the same way that I built this, but due to time constraint I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to do is create a simple tweak just for this demo so that we can speed up the process. Okay, I'm going to turn on the control points, do a right mouse click, split surface by iso curve, toggle. Okay, I'm going to remove away this area. Do a adjustable curve blend and then create a texture. Okay, and what I'm going to do is trim away one half. I'm going to create a profile over here using the interpolate curve degree 3. Let's give a little bit of curviness over here. Okay, now I need to create the real curves. Duplicate edge. Join. We build curve non-uniform. Just leave it as 30. Okay, and let's do the same for the bottom part. Okay. Do a sweep, do real, and look at the result. Okay, got something like that. However, if you look close at this point, you notice that this point is not very good because of the convergence of the control points. So what I'm going to do is to fix this portion over here. Let's turn on the environmental map. Yeah, you can see that this portion here is continuity is not so good. So let's try to fix this. Gonna do a right mouse click, split by iso curve. I'm not sure whether this will work or not, but let's give it a shot. Okay, going to remove this. Let's split the curve. Okay. Let me use a patch. We got a patch. Unfortunately, the orientation of the patch is not something that I will like. So what I'm going to do is try something else. Let me extract iso curve and snap it to the mid. And then do a adjustable curve blend from here to here. We don't need to have nice continuity over here at 1. So you can just set it to position. Something like that. And let's try the patch again. I'm not sure whether it will work or not. Just trying my luck. Seems quite alright. The continuity seems to be fine. Maybe it could be better over here. Let me try to match this surface. First, I need to shrink trim surface to edge so that the control points are reduced, and let's remove some of the control points using remove nodes. Okay, and see whether we can do a match here. Turn on the zebra. Okay, let's create a surface to analyze the deviation from the natural flow. I need to create a surface that is coinciding with the patch better and yet is also following the direction of the main side surface. So what I'm going to do is do something unconventional. I'm going to untrim this patch and draw curves and project, okay, and then recreate a new surface. So what I'm going to do is don't need this anymore. Draw a curve. Oops. Should set the type to line. Repeat the process. Reckon I need to extend this as well. Okay, let's project this onto that patch. So that we get these curves over here, which I would like to use to recreate a new surface that is close to this patch. This allows me to match this better. I'm not sure whether it will work or not. Just trying out. Let's hide this. Let's do a split instead. Okay, so we got something like that. Let me explode this. Rebuild. Oops. Okay. Going to extract an edge here as well. Rebuild. Okay. Now using this 4 edge, I want to create a surface from 2, 3, 4 edge. Okay. Fortunately, the alignment here is not very good. Guess I can live with it. So what I'm going to do is let's match this. Turn on the zebra, analyze surface, zebra. Let's can see that there's a slight mismatch there. Let's gonna match this. Set it to curvature. Match by closest point. What about tangent? We move this slightly and rematched. Just slightly. Let me move this slightly. Get it as close to the original as possible. Then see, the profile is pretty good really. I'm not sure whether I still need to match it. Now let's trim the excesses away. Then need to merge page. Okay, let's extend this. Let's split this at this point here so that we can do a trim. Split at this intersection. This. Let me put this object intersection. Okay, we need to split here. Right mouse click. Split at this intersection. Okay. Trim surface to edge. Okay. Okay, now let's do our trimming. This portion here is not too good, so let me adjust this a bit. Control Z, Control Z to untrim. Okay. Record history. Let me do a bit of adjustment over here until we get a better looking profile. Check this Libra again. Not too bad. Okay, let's do the trim now. Oh yeah, I need to split this. Right mouse click. Make sure you're splitting at the intersection here. Okay, let's repeat the process. Okay, done with the top part. Now let's deal with the bottom part. Need to extend this, extend surface. To extend this as well. I reckon this will be a bit tricky. Let me do untrim. Oops, it's gonna be tricky. Let's try. Now work. Control Z. Let's untrim this edge. Guess I need to split this. Need to split this as well at this location. Right mouse click, split at the intersection. Delete this. Let's do the trim again. Select. Cutting object is this, and this object to trim is this. Yep, it works now. And trim this as well. Cutting object is this, object to trim is this. Okay. Now repeat the process. Cutting object is this, and this. Object to trim is this. Great, it's done. I'm not going to use this. Don't need the curves anymore. Okay, this portion you should actually cut here and build a big piece like what I've done, but due to time constraint, let's do it using a simple way. Let's do position. Okay. Okay, with that I come to the end of this demo. See you. Bye.